Hi, I'm Mike.
And hi, I'm Steven.
But you probably knew that.
And you probably didn't know that, so I guess.
Well, this is our solar system project.
And let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Solar system wouldn't be a thing without, the sun. So, that's why Steven's gonna be the sun.
Wait, what?
Okay, well, no, Steven's the... Okay, and, yeah, now we're going to the first planet. Mercury!
Alright, so our first planet, Mercury. It is our, well, I guess you could say it's the smallest planet if you exclude Pluto, which is a dwarf planet.
Dwarf.
I thought we went over this already, Mike. Alright, so it has the most extreme temperatures in our universe, and it's the closest planet to the sun. So, Mercury.
On to our next planet, which is...
Venus, which
Yes.
Mike also got an awesome look through his. And the next planet, Earth. Well, enough said.
Sorry about Steven.
I thought it would be nice. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, it's the only planet that we know of that has life. Oh, and if you didn't know, we're actually on Earth.
Alright, next planet is Mars. And Mike, what do you have to say about Mars?
It's red.
Why is it red, Mike?
Iron? Yeah, it contains a lot of iron.
Yes,
And there's
do
a
you
rover
know
on it.
do you
Yes,
know
I
what
do.
that rover's name is that is looking for life?
I'm very curious to know.
What Mike is looking for is Curiosity. The rover we have is Curiosity that's on Mars and is looking for life and liquid water on Mars. Now, the next planet.
And those are the 4 inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Onto the gas giant. Or onto Jupiter. And now we're on to...
Jupiter.
That was very enthusiastic.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, if it's the biggest planet in our solar system.
All right, and it's a gas giant, which means it has a rocky core and gas on the outside.
Yes.
It has a big red dot that is a storm that's been going on for as long as we've been able to see it, and it's the size of Earth.
Yeah, and if you were to live there, you'd weigh a lot, and if you flew a plane, it'd probably crash. Next planet, Saturn! Next planet is Saturn.
Alright, so I just cut you off, sorry. What does Saturn have?
Big rings.
Yes, the big rings are made of rock, dust, and ice that were left over from forming of planets and asteroids hitting other planets, breaking them up. And it's also a gas giant, which means it has a rocky core and gas on the outside.
And it's the second biggest planet in the solar system.
Yes.
And it's very cold there.
And also, it's so not dense, I guess you could say, that if you had a big enough bathtub and you could place it on it, it would float.
That's a big bathtub, just saying.
Yeah, it's a big bathtub. Alright, so, next planet. The next planet is Uranus. What was that?
What was that?
I don't know.
It kind of made
So,
me mad.
Alright, so the next planet is Uranus, and seriously, who was that? Now,
I'm getting frustrated.
alright, so the next planet is Uranus, and just like...
It's not funny!
Alright, so...
Shut up.
This planet is another one of the gas giants, just like Saturn and Jupiter. It has a rocky core, and it has gas on the outside of it, just like the others. It kind of has a bluish green color, and the unique thing about it is that it's turned, well, it's pretty much turned north to south. So instead of rotating south to east, or no, west to east or east to west, it rotates north to south.
And it does have seasons, and I think it was that little boy over there. So.
I'm pretty sure it was that kid.
Let's go.
Let's go and get it.
Next stop, Neptune. Neptune is
the next planet. Hi guys. I don't even know how I just did that. That was like a...
Dude, you just fall from heaven.
Yeah, it kind of hurt too. Alright, so, Neptune. Mike?
Well, it's the furthest planet from the sun.
Nope. Alright, yeah. Excluding...
Dwarf. Okay.
Alright. So, it's blue because of its traces of methane in its atmosphere. And it's another gas giant, which we've already explained, like...
Yep.
What,
and
3
sometimes
times?
it's closer to the sun than Pluto.
Yep. So, no, Pluto's sometimes closer to the sun than it is.
Sure, whatever you want to say.
Okay, so next planet, the dwarf planet. Hey, dwarf.
Next stop, Pluto. Pluto is...
Ow! I don't know why I keep doing that.
Yeah, how do you get up there? Is there like a ladder somewhere?
Yeah, it's just kind of like an elevator. So, alright, so, yeah.
Well,
Pluto isn't actually a planet. It is a...
dwarf planet, which is why we don't need it.
I thought we needed that, though. Okay,
Let's just focus on this. Okay.
Its moon is just slightly smaller than it, so they kind of revolve around each other as they go around. And it was recently called a dwarf planet because some of the moons of Jupiter are bigger than it is. So that's Pluto.
Bam. And if you think Pluto's far away from the sun,
Then follow us
to the first star.
Alright, so
Right here.
is,
First star.
this is how far the closest star would be from our sun. Now, this was a long run, so
7.5 hours.
7.5 hour run. Where are we?
I think somewhere in upstate New York.
Yeah, that was a far run. Mr. Gillespie gave us a good grade. This took a long time. And, that's the project.
Au revoir!
Goodbye!